How to change captain in Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change captain in Fantasy Premier League. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Premier League app or website, then log in into your account. After you do that, on the bottom there, then head over to the pick team section. After you tap on pick team, here you can then select a person that you want to make as a captain. So let's say this guy is my captain. If I tap on it, there you will see right up the profile, you'll find captain and vice captain option. Tap on the captain checkbox and then you basically have selected a new captain. There you can see on the name as well, on the profile, on the top left, you'll see the C option or C letter that basically indicates that he is a captain. And if I want to change it again, I'm going to do the same by tapping on another clear, choosing a captain, and basically done. So the same goes for vice captain as well. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.